In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom money amounts to your Steam wallet. We'll start from the Steam Store homepage and walk through the wallet funding flow, and I'll explain what's possible, what isn't, and a safe way to avoid surprises along the way. First, open the Steam Store in a web browser or the desktop client and make sure you're signed into the right account. On the top right corner, click your account name to open the menu, then choose Account Details. This takes you to your account overview, where you can manage purchases, payment methods, and your wallet balance. On this page, find the option that says Add Funds to your Steam wallet and click it. You'll land on the Add Funds page. Here, Steam usually presents several preset amounts based on your country and currency. Pick the amount that best fits what you need for a game or an in-app purchase. Before you continue, double-check that your region and currency are correct and that your preferred payment method is available. If something looks off, fix your store country or payment options first to avoid a failed transaction. Now, you may have heard about trying to enter a custom value by using browser developer tools. That approach involves right-clicking elements on the page and attempting to edit values you see on your screen. I want to be clear, changing what appears in your browser does not reliably change what Steam's servers will process, and it may violate Steam's terms. In many cases, the transaction will either charge one of the preset amounts or be declined altogether. For that reason, I don't recommend or demonstrate that method. If you need a specific number that isn't listed, the practical route is to choose the closest preset amount or use an official Steam wallet code or gift card in a denomination that matches your goal. Availability varies by region, and sometimes the desktop client offers slightly different options than the web, so it can be worth checking both. Once you select a legitimate amount, proceed to checkout, confirm the total, and complete payment. Wait for the confirmation screen, then return to your account details to verify that your Steam wallet balance reflects the new funds. That's it. You've successfully added money to your wallet in a way that's supported, secure, and predictable. If you don't see the balance update immediately, refresh the page or wait a minute. Payment processors can take a short moment to confirm. Keep a copy of your receipt for your records, and you're ready to shop.